Hi guys, today I'm going to stitch and make a pizza. Let's open. Ooh, see, cool. We have like cool things inside. So what we have is like this kind of red thread for stitching. We have some green foam, and then we have some cheese, some red paper, and I think this is a white paper, and this is the stitching needle. Let's read the instructions. So first is easy. So guys, I want to tell you how to do this. This is a crust and this is the sauce. How to stick it? It's not going to stick right away if you just put it. So you just have to peel this white paper. Ooh, this looks like more like the real pizza. Cool. Ah, it's sticky. Okay. There. Cool. And it's soft. We're gonna now stick the cheese. I got it. I think I got it. There. Now it's much more easy. Okay, I think I'll stick this right here maybe. I think that's perfect. Yummy cheese. Now I'm gonna do these toppings on the pizza. Just have to pop them out. These are peppers. Ooh, they're cute. How can they even be cute? I am so silly. Okay, pop all of them out, and then then you can just stick them on your pizza, however you want. Cool. I'm gonna put the pepperoni. Maybe pepperoni here. This is sticky. This one's gonna be kind of like this way. I'll just keep on doing them different. Ooh, it looks like it's real. So I'm over here. There's only 2 fitting. Maybe that's enough. Yum yum. Pizza pepperoni. How about I take this one off and maybe put pepperoni and then top? You sure this is easy? Oh, that was easy. Take this pepperoni. So, okay, stick it here, maybe like this. There, my pizza, my yummy pizza. Now I'm gonna stitch it. I'm gonna cut it in half so we can even make another pizza. So I'm gonna cut it in half. Thread inside the needle. So we just have to pop this out like this, there, and pull it out. I'm gonna pop here. Come out, come out. Boom. Okay, now we'll do here. There, I'm done tying it. Now it's a pizza. Cute. I love it. Can you see it's a real pizza to eat? Somebody has to eat this pizza. We can even make another pizza slice and join it like it's a real pizza. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of my videos, go down and you'll see a red subscribe button. And you can watch a lot of my videos. And don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Bye. I have a pizza hand.